Hello everyone, let's solve this problem, validate binary search tree. So in this problem we have to find that our binary tree is valid binary tree or not. So how are we going to solve this problem? We will just have to check whether this is less than our node and this is our greater than our node. If this is the true, then we will just simply return true. So this uh, so we will check whether this value is less greater than this value and less than this value. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve this program. So this is valid binary tree, but here the value is not greater than root value, so we will just simply return false. This is how we are going to solve this program. If you think so, then wait a second. There is also edge cases where you this problem is wrong, this approach is wrong. So let me write this that type of scenario. So this is 4, this is 1, this is 6, this is 4, this is 7. Okay, so if you use this previous approach, then you can check these two values. You check these two values, this is correct. You have checked these two values, this is correct. Now you have checked these two values, this is correct. Now you have checked these two values, also correct. But wait a second, here is 5, here is 4. So there is a right side, there is a lower value than root node, so it will we have to return false. So that techniques will not used in this problem. So how we are going to solve this problem? To solve this problem, what we are going to do is, when we do call for this, we will just pass the values like our small is minus infinity and greatest number of 5. So all node of our binary tree will lies between these, and when we call for the right side, we will just use 5. We will 5 and infinite. So all node from over here is between 5 to infinite. So when we reach over here, we will check that, oh, this is the 4. So this will that means we will return a false. Okay, so over here when we reach over here, we know that 5 and minus infinite is the most value. So when we call the left side, we will 5 and 6. As over here I show you that minus infinite to 5. So we have changed this value. So we will also change over here 5 and we will become 6, infinite to 6. So this value is not between 5 and 6, so we will return false. So this is how we are going to solve this problem. So let's code this up. Let's create a function def dfs. Let me small this dfs. Okay, and we will pass right and left value. Also root, so we will pass root and also left and right value. If not root, then we will just simply return true. And then we will check whether now we will again call this dfs, and for the left side we will just root dot left left side, and over here we are changing the right side value. We are right side value by this value. Okay, so so left is become left and right become root dot val. Okay, and we got right side, and over here we changing this value. Okay, we are changing this value. So I will write over here. So here root dot val and here right. Okay, and we will just simply return this. And wait a second, we forgot to check this condition whether this is a correct or not. So 5 is less than between these two or not. So let me write this. If our root dot val is between left and right, if our root between this left and right, then we will uh, if our root is not between this, then we will just simply return false. Okay, then we simply return this false. Now let's call this dfs function. We will passing the root and uh, root minus inf minus infinitive and plus infinitive. So, and we will just simply return this. Let's run this code for any compilation error. Okay, got a compilation error. So where we have read wrong, write it wrong. Okay, I know the problem. Where is the problem? Over here is the problem. Either here we have to write right and here we have to left, because I, in this statement I have considered this as a left and this as a right. So that's why over here this as a left and this as a right. So that's why here I have to write a left and right. And also here here statement I have considered this as a left and this as a right. So that's why we are getting an error. So let's run this code one more time for any compilation error. Okay, let's submit this code. Okay, thank you for watching this video.